I want to
Okay.
attend till 9 o'clock.
So students, we studied in the morning about awards, right? So that is national awards, about civilian awards. So civilian awards, and then after that military awards, that is we said as gallantry awards. So civilian awards, we know there are four civilian awards, which are it, that is the highest Bharat Ratna, and then Padma awards. Padma is highest, Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri. Yes. Gallantry awards, that is military awards. Military awards are Veer Chakras. Veer Chakra is Paramveer Chakra, Mahavir Chakra, and Veer Chakra. And then Ashok Chakra, Kirti Chakra, and Shaurya Chakra. Yes. In this, Paramveer Chakra is the highest. Yes. Okay. Here in the military awards, if you see, Veer Chakras are wartime, means during war they give. Okay, after the war or during the war. And this peacetime means if there is no war, if the military people has done something exceptional, they will give this. That is peacetime, we say. Okay, if there is any war and anything, they will give like this. Okay. 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 Nice. Okay, nice. Okay. So then we studied about sports awards. So which are the sports awards? That is the Major Dhyanchand is the highest. Okay, Major Dhyanchand award, and then Major Dhyanchand Khel Ratna, Arjuna award, and then this is Dronacharya Dhyanchand award, and then next is Rashtriya Khel Protsahan Puraskar. Puraskar means award. Then next is Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad Trophy. These are the awards. Okay. Next is we will see cinema awards. Indian Cinema Awards. Indian Cinema Awards are given in the field of cinema. Okay. So here let us see now, that is Indian Cinema Awards. In the field of cinema, you may have seen different what actors receiving award, right? That is Dada Saib Phalke Award. First is what? Dada Saib Phalke Award. So Dada Saib Phalke was one of the pioneer in Indian cinema. He brought the first cinema to India. Okay? Yes? Dada Saib Phalke. This is the only national award given in the field of cinema. National award by the government. Okay? So Dada Saib Phalke is known as the father of Indian cinema. He is the father of Indian cinema. That is, he brought the Indian cinema up, and he brought the first film to the India. Okay. The first recipient of the award was actress Devika Rani, who was honored at the 17th National Film Awards. Okay. So first who was the person who got the Dada Saib Phalke? Devika Rani. So as of as of 2022 it is 52 awardees are there. Okay. So actor Prithviraj Kapoor and actor Vinod Khanna are the only posthumous recipients awarded after the death of the recipient. So that is not required, just remember this much is enough. So in the cinema field, this what is the award given? Dada Saib Phalke Award. Okay. The first person is Devika Rani. Okay. Next, Indian Literary Award. Literary award means in the field of academic literature. In the field of literature, academic, that is mainly English, Hindi, language literature, right? Yes, language literature, English, Marathi, Hindi, Kannada, those are all. Okay. So the most famous is Jnanapith Award. What is the award? Jnanapith Award. Okay. So Jnanapith Award is very famous in the literature. Okay, that is language. So the oldest and the highest Indian literature award. Okay, so that is in 1961 it started. It is presented annually by Bharatiya Jnanapita to authors, that is who write the books, for outstanding contribution towards the literature. Okay, so the first recipient of the award is Malayalam writer who? G. Shankara Kurup. Okay, so who received the award in 1965 for his collection? The poems he wrote. Which poems he wrote? Odakuzai, the bamboo flute. Okay, Odakuzai, the bamboo flute. It means the bamboo flute, published in 1950. Okay, so the first person to receive the Jnanpith award is G. Shankara Kurup. Okay, so this is the Jnanpith award. Okay, so yes, if you yes, it is little big. Yes, this is how it looks. Okay, so if you become writer in the future, if you write poems, if you write novels, if you write stories, you can also get this award, right? Yes, anyone likes to write poems and stories? Yes. Okay, so this is the yes. Okay, okay, good. Okay, good. Next, okay, so Bengali novelist Asha Purna Devi is the first woman. Who is the first woman to receive this award? So Bengali Asha Purna Devi. Okay, so in 1976, no need to remember the name. So her novel, what is the name? Pratham Pratishruti, the first promise. Pratham Pratishruti. Okay, so the first promise, that is the name. So the most recent recipient of the award, Assamese poet Nilmani Pukan and Konkani writer Damodar Mauzo. So they are awarded in 2021 and 2022. So recently who got the award? Yes.
Sir Rama Bhattacharya.
Yes. So Urdu poet Gulzar, the writer, okay, that is the poems, and Sanskrit scholar he is. So that is Jagat Guru Rama Bhattacharya. He got the recent award, that is 2023, right? That is, we said as 2024, but in 2023. Okay, good. So next is Sahitya Academy Award. Sahitya Academy Awards are, yes, which awards? This is how it looks. Okay, Sahitya Academy Award. So this is how it looks, Sahitya Academy Award. Okay, so Sahitya Academy Award given in the field of literature, given annually by Sahitya Academy, India's National Academy for in Delhi. Okay, so it is given in 24 languages. That is, all the languages have their own Sahitya Academy Award. Okay, yes, Kannada has its own Sahitya Academy Award, English, Hindi, and the Bengali, all the states have their own Sahitya Academy Awards. Okay, different language. Okay, got it? So 24 language are given. Understand? So Mokham Lal Chaturvedi was the first recipient in Hindi. So okay, so for which Him Tarangini, so for his work Him Tarangini. And R.K. Narayanan was the first recipient in English. So for which novel? The Gayad novel. Okay, yes, so remember this. Understand? Next is other important awards, national awards which are there. Let us see here. Sarvottam Jeevan Raksha Padak. Okay, so this is civilian award. So it is civilian life saving award given by Indian government for saving lives from drowning, fire and mine or accident. This, I think, the Suresh was mentioning, right? So his grandfather may have got this one, right? So this is award given to the people who save the lives, who are like in problem, like someone is drowning or fire or mine accident, then they will be given this award. If someone saves the people who are drowning, who got fire, who are in mine accident. Yes. So next award, what is the next award? That is Uttam Jeevan Raksha Padak. So civilian life saving award, same for life saving only, like this only. So saving lives of people who are in difficult situation, danger situations, right? Same Uttam Jeevan Raksha Padak. Raksha means you know already, saving. So Vyas Samman is award given annually by KK Birla Foundation. Okay, that is in literature. Okay, that is in literature. So Saraswati Samman. Saraswati Samman is also literature. So Saraswati Samman is annual award outstanding literature work in prose and poetry. Mainly in prose and poetry it is given. So in which language? 22 languages of India. Okay. Yeah. So next is, that is for any language only one award is given in, they will select from 22 languages, any language you can write prose and poetry. Okay, like that. Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar prize, that is in science and technology. So if you become scientist or something in new invention, this award will be given to you. Yes, so who will become scientist then? So Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Award is given annually to the Council of Scientists and Industrial Research for outstanding research in biology, chemistry and mathematics. Okay, new invention, new discoveries if you do, you will be given. Okay. Hmm? What is the next? This is the Peace Award. Peace Award means something social work or something. So International Gandhi Peace Prize. Peace Prize is mainly social work or something, it will be given. Okay, so award after Gandhiji, named after Gandhiji, and awarded annually by the government of India for the contribution in peace. So social work, something like that, or something related to peace. Okay, so these are the national awards. Okay, so everyone has to remember all these. Understand? Yes. Okay, mainly these are very important. Okay, these 4 and these 6, 10 awards. Okay.